Good afternoon, everybody. Rain God here. Oh, sorry, Calm Biker here. I've only been out the house for 2 minutes. It's a lunchtime ride, but it's a late one. We had an issue that I had to look at, and through Skype, a bit of screen sharing to help a colleague out looking at a problem. And that delayed me enough for the sun to go away. Not that it was shining particularly brightly, but it was out. The clouds to roll in. And about 2 minutes after I left the house for this rain to start. Seems to be every time I go riding at the moment, but you know, it's fun anyway, and it's good for your skills to learn in the do a bit of practice and what have you in the wet. Learn a bit more about my bike and what it can do, hopefully by doing it rather than overdoing it. But anyway, I wanted to ride to the bike shop. I popped in there a little while ago when I was looking to do my to buy my tank bag. Not the bike shop I actually got the tank bag from, but the bike shop where I got the bike from. And while I was there, we were talking about how many miles it had done and how it was getting up due for its first service, which is at 6,000 miles and has to be done by the bike shop to maintain the warranty. So I can't do it myself. And they told me at the time that there was about a 3-week waiting list for servicing, so I'm going to have to book it in ahead of time. I've got 5,700 miles on it now, 300 miles-ish to go before it's due. And he said you've got a leeway of a few hundred miles, it doesn't matter if you're going with 6,500 on. You know, that won't affect the warranty or anything like that, as long as you get it done in a sensible amount of time and mileage from when you should have done. So I thought, go and get it booked in now. I'll probably easily do 300 miles in the next 3 weeks before I've got a chance for him to do it for me. Maybe a few more miles than that even, but at least then it's booked and it's done, isn't it? And also I wanted to try out my new positioning of my Drift Ghost remote control, which you should be able to see flashing away just down there. Down there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Still not quite used to the new camera angle. So I was fed up with having it on my arm. It kept slipping down. This new one doesn't seem to grip as much as the old Drift HD one did. I'll get a bit annoyed with that. So my own makeshift mount. I headed down to Boys the other day. I don't know if you have Boys where you are. I don't really know how widespread Boys is. I think it's throughout the UK. But Boys sells a bit of everything. A bit of homewares and DIY and even little bits of food and stationery, office stuff, clothing, bit of everything really. And they also have a haberdashery. So I popped in there, had a look at the DIY bit and found a bit of Velcro. And it's super duper strength Velcro, allegedly. It's supposed to be able to take quite a few kilos per square inch. So I thought we'll have a bit of that. So I don't need any weight on it particularly, but it should be as strong or nearly as strong as the tape they use to stick your camera to your helmet. So I shouldn't lose the drift. And then just for the remote control, just for a bit of extra safety, just in case it falls off the Velcro for any reason, I spent an extra 95p on a metre of soft cord. That's what's wrapped around the wing mirror, just in case. Wing mirror, as if you have wings on a bike, around the mirror, I think, is probably the best term. And through the little hole in the drift where you normally put the strap. So hopefully that'll work out well. And it definitely means I can see whether it's recording or not, because there's been a couple of times recently where I've forgotten to press record. And I think I'm going to have to finish this one up short because it's raining so heavily now. I reckon it's going to start to get tricky to see where I'm going. So I'll stop with that one. Little mini vlog, not quite as mini vlog as the mini vlog challenge, but quite a short one anyway. So thanks for watching, ride safe everyone, and I'll talk to you all again soon.